Hi all, welcome to forceGalaxy. Hope you are doing good. So today's question is, in the record level access or in the record level securities, you all are aware about that we have OWDs there. Okay, so for a object, the OWD is set as private, which means that only the record owner can only able to edit them, and none other than this owner cannot be able to view the records and also cannot be able to edit them because the OWD is private. Okay, so my current scenario, what is happening for a object, the OWD is private, but still other users except the owner can are able to view and also able to edit them. So what can be the possibility, or what are the settings which are enabled due to which the OWD is private but still other users are able to view and edit the records? Okay, so there can be two possibilities. First one is, check on the profile for this object whether view all and modify all checkbox is checked or not. Okay, if they both are checked, then it will going to override the sharing rules. Okay, so you have to make sure that these two checkboxes are unchecked. Okay, then only your sharing rule will going to work. Okay, and the next is, if the profile level are not having view all and modify all permission, then next check on the role hierarchy. Okay, what are the roles of users who are able to view and edit the records of another owner? Okay, so there might be possible that these users are up in the hierarchies. Okay, because of which they are able to edit and view the records. Okay, if their manager or upper in the manager role, they guys can see the and edit the records even if the OWD is set as private. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you have faced or know any other possibilities when the OWD is set as private but still the other users are able to edit the records. Thank you.